The story of the first great victory of the Muslims, Battle Badr, is a very important and decisive sentence in praise of Islam. This was the first time that the faith, sacrifice and belief in Allah was the first great victory of Muslims. Rather, he strengthened the foundations of the Islamic princely state. Ghazwa Badr, 17 Ramadan, appeared at the position of Waqaya Badr in Junu Magri in Medina on the second day of Akhri. The basis of this war lay with the Musalsal Julm Sitam of Qurayshi and the Iqdama of Abu Sufyan for the capture of Medina of Hazrat and the Tijarti convoy of Quraysh to eliminate Mecca Muslims. When the Muslims went out only for their dafa, the number of Muslims was only 313 who had mahdud wasail. Only 2 horses, 70 camels and a few swords. It's box. Quraysh's army numbered 1,000, which had plenty of weapons and supplies. Before the battle, Vasallam prayed to Allah Ta'ala for victory and encouraged his companion Ram. He said, "Help God, be patient and be patient." The war began with the 3 Namur Janju of Quraysh, Utbah bin Rabaya, Sheba bin Rabaya and Walid bin Utbah. The game started with the departure for Bajrat. On behalf of the Muslims, Hazrat Hamza Rajallahu Ta'ala, Hazrat Ali Rasyallahu Ta'ala and Hazrat Upaida Rajallahu Ta'ala took to the field and the situation of the enemy Kosh. Thereafter, the two started fighting. Muslims believed in Allah and fought bravely in the manner of the Prophet. Peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. The help of angels was also with the Muslims. As mentioned in Surah Anfal in the Old Park, when you were asking your Lord for help, he said, "I will sell you 1,000 angels to help you with the wisdom of the Muslims and the help of Allah." Quraysh's great army was destroyed. Quraysh's 70 men were killed, including many of his senior leaders, while 70 were taken prisoner. The Muslims also got a lot of money. The victory of Islam, which took place for the first time in Islamic history, was an encouraging and faith-inspiring victory for Muslims that convinced the Arab cabal of the wickedness of Muslims. The weakness of Quraysh shocked the strength and pride of Quraysh, and his fear came out of the hearts of Muslims. Nabi Akram Sallallahu was the one who treated the prisoners with compassion, and he freed them with ransom or without ransom. Battle of Badr teaches us the lesson that if a person has complete faith in Allah, is patient and stands for the truth, then there is a lack of wasail. The message of Ghazwa Badr, which has never been an obstacle to success, is still a manners of light for Muslims today, that faith and ittihad can lead to a situation with greater strength. This war is proof of that. This right is always true no matter how difficult the situation is. The story of Battle Badr is a living example for every Muslim. We believe in God's help. With sacrifice and faith, we can overcome challenges. This recount of the Battle of Badr provides insight into its historical significance.